All right. So yeah, hi guys. The update for today is that just paused my quants preparation just for a couple of days because my QA score, not QA, what? VS scores are going, VRC scores are going down, and I'm betting, not betting. I am trying to get the most scores from that section itself. So it's a good thing for me to, not a good thing. I mean, it's a good thing to invest my time in VA a couple of days. So I did enroll in that free 7 days trial of an academy, and I'm doing Lokesh Sharma is right, yeah, Lokesh Sharma's SAP technique. So far I did 4 lectures of him, 2 hours. It's very lengthy, and so far on paper this technique sounds quite good. Not good, it sounds great to me when he does it, or even the idea he told about the technique, what the technique is. It sounds super great to me on paper, and I have to implement it and see how it really is in practical. But on paper it's super great. Like uh, it tells us to selectively read only particular things. You can skip, like if RC is of 500 words, by just reading 100 words you can infer everything, almost 90% of the RC. And yeah, those I will definitely take those tips for moving forward, but I will implement whatever is said for a couple of days and see, does it actually work in practical, or it's just theory on all what just say and no teeth like that. And I've only heard good things about him, so I hope will help me. And I don't know how to explain to you guys how what is it, but I feel it's very good. It's like, it's on paper it's great, the things he said, to skip certain things and to add certain things, how to read active reading and then predict what the author will say next. One technique of him is like, read the first para, and of each para just read one line of each para, and after doing that read the entire para, just not like comprehending it, just read it for the crux of it, and then answer the questions. I have not tried it, but when he does that now, it feels like it's good, like it works. Let me try it and tell you guys. I will try it and then tell you guys what actually it is or whatever. And yeah, that will be it for today guys. I will now again go and watch his videos and try to extract the most out of it and get my VRC scores improved. And yeah, that's it for today guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.